Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing good. We are just having a lot of fun with this August subscription kit, and I'm just going to do some sample page layouts in our journal that we've made. Now, if you want this cover for free, just go to our website. I'll link it below, and then scroll to the bottom of the home page and you'll see this. You can click and download it. It's the one we're working with this August kit. So, but you can put any papers in it that you want. You don't have to have the August kit. And these layouts that I'm going to be doing are versatile, and you can use any supplies that you have on hand. But today we're just going to be doing the envelope Bellyband page layout. And I chose this envelope just because it matched the binding that Elena put in when she put this fun journal together. And I'll try and remember to link that video below. It's on the YouTube channel as well, just like a few days ago. So we're gonna go ahead and start out. I've cut and inked everything from the August kit, but you can just do whatever supplies that you desire. So I'm just getting this envelope together by gluing down these two long sides. That's the first part coming together. I didn't print on the backs this time, and that's fine. Just whatever you want. My glue is stuck a little bit. I'm hoping it will come loose here. There we go. All right, folding up the bottom. So now we have this really tall envelope, and I want to create this into a belly band. So I'm going to be doing a good amount of glue up here up top and then down here on the bottom, and obviously not on the flap because we need that flap to be able to open and close. And it's okay if it's a good amount because it's going to be holding that in. So I'm going to be placing it over here because I like how it looks with this and this next to it. You can kind of see how that just is really balanced feeling, I guess. All right, I want some ephemera to stick in my belly band. So what you're looking for is a piece that's going to come out of both sides, but not be too long and also not be too wide. So this for me was the perfect one, and I'm going to quickly show you how I like to distress ephemera. You can see on this that there's a little white here on the corners. So I want to clip those off. So I have my corner rounder. You can just use scissors if you want. Either way will work beautifully. And then before I ink it, I'm going to just go ahead and kind of scrape these edges up. And if you bend something, that's okay. Maybe even better because it will give it that authentic grunged up look. There is a tool that you can get that will do this as well, but for me, scissors, or if it's small enough, sometimes I even just use my fingernails. I'm just gonna rough up these edges just a little. There we go, and then I kind of just smooth it back out because I just really distressed those edges. So so you can see some of it's been, there, you can see some of that top layer of ink has been scratched off, just to give you an idea of how much I roughed that up. Maybe I would do a tear or a little bend. That's going to be fun when I ink this. So grab that ink, and I'm just trying to kind of get into all those grooves. So it's going to take more ink just because there's more paper that's been exposed. And that's okay because we want this to kind of be distressed. All right, there we go. Now, another fun technique, if you want to try it, is get a piece of plastic. I just have this little piece right here, and it'll work. And then go ahead and plop some ink on there. I usually get a little bit of water too, but my water bottle's missing. Just get some ink, maybe even add in a touch of the black. It's all good. And I have, if I need a little more brown, I feel like, but this is more liquidy because this is from the bottle alcohol inks. Then I'm gonna kind of squish all that together because I don't want it to be too heavy duty. If it's too much, which I got too much, grab a scrap and just take a little bit off like so. But you can see that leaves a really fun effect on the paper. So just kind of decide where you want it and then kind of go for it. And you can see that adds a really fun kind of distressed look. Oh, how fun. So fun. You need a little up here. So there you go. So that's just a fun technique to distress that if you want to distress your ephemera a little bit more. All right, let's bring our layout back and keep going. So I have this journaling card and I want this to be going into my envelope. Now, I am not 100% sure if this is quite going to fit. I might need to be trimming the top or the bottom, and that's okay. So again, I have some leftover ink on this. If you want, you can add a little more. Just fun for a journaling card. Let's put that in and see if it's gonna work. Oh, it's perfect. So our envelope is gonna close. I'm not gonna have to trim, which is awesome. And I love the look of that. I don't need to add anything else to that if I don't want to. And if I want maybe a little number, I am gonna do a collage. I wanted to do a collage, like something like this on the front of that. I guess I could use my tiny little butterfly wingtip just to tuck that under. You know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. So we're gonna glue our butterfly. And I like to get the little antenna so they don't accidentally pop up and get ripped off. And we don't need glue up top, I forgot. All right, so that butterfly is gonna barely come over the tip of that envelope right here. That's just gonna be a tiny little spot that I can tuck that envelope back behind. It can go under one wing or two, it doesn't really matter. But I'm pressing all of that down. So you can use stuff like this for little envelope clasps as well. Just whatever you have, whatever you like. I'm gonna bring that clear out to the edge here. Cute, cute. Okay, now we have our fun ephemera that's gonna be coming right in here under our belly band. And let's see, I think I want a little tab on top. Elena made these on a previous video for the kit and stamped on them a little bit, so that's fun. I'll use that. They're just regular old whale-tailed tabs, and that's just nice to have to pull that ephemera in and out of that belly band area. You could leave that sticking out a little bit. It won't hurt anything at all. Let's see, I want this word, and I have this metal. I bought these on, I think it was Amazon, and they're just really fun. They come with screws, but obviously that's not going to help me here. You could put a brad in, but I kind of just like it glued down and not even worry about all of that. So I'm just going to glue this in right here where it's not going to interact with this coming in and out, because I don't want to affect that. So it's going to be going right about there. I'm going to glue that word down first. Right about there. Let's double check real quick. Yeah. All right, go ahead and give that a nice good push. Let that dry for 0.2 seconds. And now I'm hoping, because you're going to need a good amount of glue to get your metal to stick well. So I'm going to go ahead and put a good amount of glue on here. I'm kind of really hitting up the places that have more surface area. Oh, this is going to be cute. We're going to be doing a fun giveaway from the Facebook group, and I included a bunch of these in the giveaway. So now if the glue is squeezing out, which it is, don't worry about it. It dries clear, and it's going to really help that adhere, because sometimes metal pieces are heavier and we really want that to stick. So I'm going to give that a good push down, let that dry. But anyway, that's it. That is the layout for this junk journal page. We don't want to overwhelm it, and the background papers are already so lovely that you don't have to do too much to get a really fun effect. So let's just do the final flip through. We have our cute little envelope, and we have our distress tag in there to journal on or add a picture. And then that gets tucked under our tiny little butterfly wings with not too much stress. There we go. It's better if you fold this than if you fold the little wings up. And then our cute, totally distressed ephemera. Love it. And that's going to be tucked back here. And our cute, let me show you that cute word sign. So anyway, not super thick, which is nice because we've got several pages in this that we're going to be filling up, but really eye-catching and really effective. So there it is, page layout number 1 for the August in our on-the-go journal. We're just going to keep working through this and having fun with it. So use the ideas, have fun, get creative, and thank you so much for being here and watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.